Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to discuss under P-block elements, inert gas elements. Inert gas elements. That is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So these are all chemically inert gas or noble gas configuration. All are, we will say, inert gas elements. So I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. So, as usual, I am giving here element, symbol and electronic configuration of the members. Kindly follow. So, what are the members? Let me read first. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Symbol, we already given He, Ne, Ar, Kr, He, radium. So the important information here, all these noble gas configuration chemically inert because of the completed configuration. Here exception is helium only, 1s2. In all other elements having 2s2, 2p6, that means general formula ns2, np6, totally 8 electron. According to octet theory, the element having 8 electron in the central atom normally will produce a stable compound. So here, helium 2s2, 2p6, neon 3s2, 3p6, that is additional kindly follow. Helium directly 1s2, neon that is additional to helium 2s2, 2p6, argon additional to neon configuration 3s2, 3p6, krypton the additional to argon configuration 3d10 4s2, 4p6, xenon additional to krypton 4d10 5s2, 5p6, radium additional to xenon 4d14 5d10 6s2, 6p6. So here we are concentrating only the outermost electronic configuration which are deciding the reactivity of the compounds. So let me say now, helium 1s2, neon 2s2, 2p6, argon 3s2, 3p6, outermost, krypton 4s2, 4p6, xenon 5s2, 5p6 and radon 6s2, 6p6. Kindly follow. And coming for the general properties, general properties. So I am going to give occurrence. All noble gases except radon, all noble gases except radon occur in the atmosphere. Argon is the major constituent. Helium and neon are found in minerals of radioactive origin. Example, pitchblende, monazite and cleveite. The main commercial source of helium is natural gas. Xenon and radon are the rarest elements, and radon is obtained as decay product of radium. Please follow. Coming for atomic size, general properties. Generally, atomic radius in picometer increases across the group. That means helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. This will be the group. So it increases, generally atomic size increases across the group. Please follow in picometer. Now, coming for the melting and boiling points, that is physical property. The melting point and boiling point generally increase regularly. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Just look here, the values are increasing. Please remember, the values you need not memorize. Only you have to memorize the increasing regularly, that will be enough. Coming for ionization energy, they are generally chemically inert. So generally ionization energy decreases across the group. We know already Size increases, all the properties are reversed, I told you. So generally ionization energy decreases across the group. One important information I want to give, ionization will be given in closed joule per mole. The highest ionization energy required is 2372. This is the element having highest ionization energy required in the periodic table. Please remember, just like fluorine, highest the electronegative element, fluorine, 4. Same way, electron affinity, chlorine is the most electron affinity element. The same way, melting point, tungsten is the most highest melting point. Like that, you must have this idea. Kindly follow. Question can be asked. Coming for oxidation state, I told you all of them have electronic configuration of Ns2Np6 except helium. So stable noble gas electronic configuration. In general, noble gases are less reactive because chemically inert. That's why inert gas they were calling it as, or rare earth elements we will call it as. Their inertness to chemical reactivity due to the following reason. 1. All have stable electronic configuration of Ns2Np6 except helium. And they have high ionization enthalpy. Kindly follow. Ionization energy decreases across the group, increases across the period. So the last period, that is 18th group, is our inert gas. So it is having highest ionization energy. Kindly follow. So highest ionization energy, all the rare earth elements. Because of this, reaction will be less. Coming for metallic character, metallic nature of element increases across the group. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Kindly follow. Coming for reactivity, I told you chemically inert. In general, noble gases are less reactive because of two reasons I have given. One is noble gas electronic configuration of Ns2Np6 except helium. Another is high ionization energy. However, in 1962, Neil Patlet prepared a compounds of inert gas Xc xenon plus platinum F6 minus is a compound he prepared by mixing platinum F6 and xenon and applying suitable conditions. So he discovered the first compound. After this discovery, a number of xenon compounds, mainly with most electronegative elements like fluorine or oxygen, have been synthesized. Please follow. So first element, this may be a question can be asked. The first inert gas compound discovered, year or name of the person, please remember. Coming for reaction with fluorine, xenon forms 3 binary fluoride, XCF2, XCF4, XCF6 by direct reaction of element under appropriate experimental condition. That means high temperature and high pressure. Xenon reacts with 1 mole of fluorine gas, produce xenon fluoride. The temperature is 673 Kelvin, 1 atmospheric pressure, 1 bar. Whereas, if you use 2 moles of excess of fluorine, but temperature is 873, but again pressure 7 bar, xenon tetrafluoride is forming. Going for 3 moles of fluorine, xenon gives xenon hexafluoride at 573 Kelvin, but the pressure is very high, 60 atmosphere, that is bar. So these are the compound, they will form, xenon forms with fluorine at suitable conditions. So, XCF2, XCF4 and XCF6 are colorless crystalline solid and sublimes at 298 Kelvin. Please follow. They are powerful fluorinating agents. They are readily hydrolyzed by traces of water. For example, XF2, xenon fluoride, difluoride, undergoes hydrolysis as follows. So difluoride, I am treating with 2 moles of xenon difluoride and water. We are getting xenon, HF, and oxygen is produced. Please follow. So it is a powerful fluorinating agent. So XCF4 and XCF6 undergo hydrolysis to produce corresponding XCO3 and partial hydrolysis to XCOF4 and XCO2F2. Kindly follow. So XCF4 and XCF6 undergo hydrolysis to produce XCO3 and partial hydrolysis to different compounds XCOF4 and XCO2F2. Please follow. Coming for uses. Helium is used in gas-cooled reactors. It is used. Number 2, helium is used as a solvent for many reactions. Helium is used to produce and sustain powerful superconducting magnet. And neon is used in discharge tube, neon bulb, fluorescent bulbs. We are using neon. Kindly follow. Continuations. 5. Argon is used mainly to provide inert atmosphere. So some reaction we are conducting in inert atmosphere, so atmosphere is argon will be used. Argon is used as a solvent for many reactions. 7. Argon is used to produce and sustain powerful superconducting magnet, as in the case of helium. And last 8. Xenon and krypton are used in light bulbs we are using. So I have come to the conclusion. Thank you very much, my dear students, for the kind cooperation you have given to me. If you are coming for the first time in YouTube channel to view my NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G, I request you kindly click like, click subscribe button and share with your friends. Also inform to other friends. My channel is containing units from 8th standard to 12th standard. 8 to 12th standard, the chapters are included. So 8th, 9th and 10th chapters are included under Unit 1. Unit 1, that is basic concept of chemistry. Normally, if you see the plus 1 book, the only 16 pages are available. But I have taken nearly 16 to 17 chapters, lessons I have taken under this. So I included all these chapters of 8th, 9th and 10th also under appropriate place as a basic concept of chemistry. In addition, it is already available in the book. But level is BSc level. Kindly follow. So I want the one information for students studying plus 1, plus 2 and plus 2 completed students waiting for NEET entrance examination conducted by the Government of India. I want to give some informations. So we are running a coaching center in Pondicherry, Vetri Coaching Center, since 1999 for the last 20 years. And we have our own site, Vetri.s. So we have that. If you want to view our achievements for the 20 years, enter the home page of Vetri.s. We have given everything in photograph. 1 or 2 achievement let me give here. The first achievement, every year minimum 10 to 20 students are joining to Jipper Medical College. 150 to 200 students are joining in other medical colleges. Few students are joining IIT. Hundreds of students are joining other engineering colleges. In 2003, one of our students, R. Srinivasa Raghavan, got All India first rank in JIPMER. At the time, NEET common entrance examination was not there. So this is our achievement. You can view directly by entering into Vetri.s. Then, regarding Vetri.s, I want to give some 3 important features. 3 important features. 1, kindly follow. It has 200 video lesson, 200 unit test we have. If you open this Vegetatus through our Chrome or Explorer, anything, immediately our site will come. If you type Vegetatus, you can see each subject, it will have 200 video lessons. All the video lessons are taken by professors with a doctorate degree, 20 to 30 years of experience in teaching IIT and medical students, also BSc, MSc, MPhil and PhD students. And because of their experience and the teaching in higher education, they will give very clear idea during discussions. So even a very weak student can easily understand that. The another important thing is we have framed lessons in such a way that even our BHC level it was maintained, because students who are attending for advanced exam, the IIT exam, they are asking question under BHC level. So facing, that is keeping this in mind, we have keeping the quality of our video lesson up to BSc. Another important feature, we are having 200 unit tests we have framed. Each unit will have 2 tests. That means 50 tests for each subject. Say for example, if we take now p-block elements. So go to our website, click the test, unit test, and click that test. Immediately window will open. You can go through and where it p-block, you click p-block. Immediately it will ask a question. There is a menu called attempt. You click attempt. If you click attempt, a window will open. It will give information. What are the information it will give? This unit contains 45 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. If you answer correctly, 4 marks will be awarded. If you answer wrongly, 1 mark will be subtracted. Are you ready? It will ask. If you are ready, please, there is the OK button will be there. Click OK. Immediately window will open. You can see question number 1. You can see option A, option B, option C, option D, you can see. Then below that, kindly follow, there are 3 menus are there. What are the menu? 3 menu. First menu will be reverse, center is complete, and the last one is next. Please follow. The menu next to go for second question, third question up to your last question, 45 questions. And reverse, you can come back, you can use. So don't touch complete. Even if accidentally, if you touch, it will close immediately, it will give marks. So you will lose the marks. So only after completing you have. So another most important feature we have, that is 1 to 45 questions number in yellow color. Please follow. 1 to 45 number will be there in yellow color. This feature is not available in any other online coaching in India. If you are verified, please compare and verify. So what is the advantage of keeping 1 to 45 number is, suppose if you are reading the question number 1 and you observe 1 is correct, you are putting a click. If you click A, immediately the question number 1 in 1 to 45 will becoming green color. Second question will be blue color, all other will be yellow. What is that indication is, you have attended the question number 1, you are going to attend question number 2 blue, the other question yellow you have to attend. So at any stage you can see like this. Suppose if you go NEET entrance examination of Government of India like, so that also there also this provision may be provided. So in our NEET unit test, Suppose after going 20 questions, you can see directly 20 questions. If you answer, 20 will be green. The remaining 25 will be in yellow color. Please follow. So this is the most important characteristic. So after finishing 45, click the option complete. Immediately a new window will open. You can see the marks. So let's say for example 160 by 180. What is 180? 45 question into 4 marks. Each question carries 4 marks. 4 into 45, 180. Out of 180, you are getting 160. So 20 marks you are losing. So you want to curious to know where you have done mistake, which is correct, which is not correct. So provisions are given in Vitidatus. Menu is review menu. Please follow. This option is not given in any other online coaching. Only in Vetri Coaching Center, that is especially Vitidatus site, this assessment, self-assessment you can do yourself. Kindly follow. So what will happen here? If you press review, window will open. Window will open. In the window, question number 1, you can see option A, option B, option C, option D, you can see, and the correct answer also given in yellow color, and below that there is video solution. Please follow. So question number 1 you can see, and since you have attended already during attending test, you clicked A, so this will be in blue color. Correct answer will be in yellow color. You compare your answer with correct answer. Both are same, your question is right. If both are wrong, that is different, your answer is wrong. So you want to know answer, so click video solution. Please follow. This is the characteristic feature of Vitidatus, not available in other online coaching. If you click, it will run nearly 10 to 15 minutes it will run. Professor with doctorate degree will handle the class, like classroom. You can feel like classroom. He will be standing in front of a board. In the board, question will be there, option will be there. He will read the question, he will read the option. Then he will start explaining the basic principle, definition, and if it is a problem, the formula, and the tricks, short route also he will explain. Everything will be there. So if you go for other online coaching, nothing will be there, only single word or one line. But here, you can improve your knowledge. So for example, we have 200 tests. Each unit, for example, p-block elements. I told you there are 2 tests, 1, test 2. Each one will have 45. So you are writing 45 questions. Right? So you are getting, for example, let us assume this way, 100 marks you are getting in the first attempt. So you go through all the 180 questions, all 100 video solution. Kindly follow, it will take time because 10 minutes means 1800 minutes you need. Kindly follow. So divided by 60, just imagine how you will get. So the minimum you will get 600. So you have a more number of hours to listen this. You require time. So patiently you take a specific notebook and record all the important information. After that, after having a clear idea, you go for the test 2 again immediately. It will be after 25. 26 will be there again, same test will be repeated. Now you attend, now you observe, you will be getting 160 or 170 out of 180. That means your quality will improve. So this is self-assessment method. Please follow. This is not available in other online coaching. So another most important advantage of Vitidatus is the low cost. Even very poor people from poor family can afford. Only 10,000 per year for all the 4 subjects we are collecting. So how to pay this amount? Pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director, Vetri Coaching Center, Indian Bank, account number 712719471. It is in Pondicherry, Kamaraj Salai. IFC code, it is given IDIB000P134. Cell number, if any query, any doubt, anything you want to contact, this is cell number as well as WhatsApp number 98941764225. I hope I have come to the conclusion. So thank you very much for kind cooperation. See you again in the next class. Bye bye.